Welcome to Cindy Certified Recipes. Here in summer, the berries are bursting at the market with all their jewel tones begging to be brought home and made into something super spectacular. Well, I like to make these here into a refreshing Blackberry Mocktail. So let's go get those ingredients and we'll be sipping it in no time. We have our super fresh berries here from the market and we're gonna start throwing some of those in there. Depending on the size, I put about 6. And then I have this beautiful mint from my yard. And I just picked a bunch of that because you can't really have too much mint in my opinion. And you're gonna throw a few little sprigs down in there. And then you're gonna get your muddler and you're just gonna squish all that up. Mortar and pestle effect is what you're getting there. And then I have some Monin blackberry syrup here, and that's about 3/4 ounce. And you can adjust that as to how sweet you like it. I like it to be sweet, but not like in your face sweet. Here's where I like to add ice. And I'm going to add in, this is about 2 to 3 ounces of coconut water. And my club soda, which always spills over when I open it, no matter how much it sits. This will give it that nice fizz. And then we're just going to garnish that with some more blackberries and some mint and a fun little umbrella. And here's where you get to choose. You can use a normal straw, and what I mean by that is because you want to mix this up like that when you start drinking this, because you want to get all those berries that you just muddled down there. You want to be able to suck those up through the straw because it's like a little treat. Or you can break out your boba straw. And then you make sure that you sip up all those nice crushed up muddled berries down there. So either way, you guys enjoy and have a refreshing summer. I hope you guys get a chance to try this one this summer. And as always, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy Certified.